Last time on Sailing Tipsy Gypsy, we have some friends visit and cruise around the Sea of Abaco. After island hopping a whole lot, we make it to Hopetown and stick around for a while. This time on Sailing Tipsy Gypsy, we enjoy Hopetown another couple weeks before heading back to the States.
The best part about having a boat is having friends come by, and the worst part of having a boat is when your friends all leave.
Saying goodbye to friends is always difficult while on the move.
We decided that we would like to go back to Hopetown, so here we are. Alright, Darren.
Hi.
What did we just do?
We just rescued a sea turtle that was caught in a bucket. Like, you know how the handle of the bucket comes up like this? The turtle got himself stuck somehow, and he kept diving down, and we'd see him dive down, and then he'd dive up and go get some air and then dive back down, and it took us like 10 minutes to catch him, but we got him. And then we got him unstuck from the bucket, and he got me all wet.
This is our office for the day. We are working remotely while traveling full-time, so by the time we got to Hopetown, it was nice to have consistency from our constant travels from Michigan. It also allowed us to relax for a while and meet some awesome new friends.
She doesn't even know I'm there.
We loved playing Bonanza, and it became the official game for us in Hopetown, thanks to our friends Dan and Becky.
For the, oh, but the green, she doesn't need that.
Oh, did she want the green? Okay, then.
But I saw the chili, and I'll trade you for 1 or 2 eggs.
That'll be 2 eggs.
Yeah, okay, that'll work.
Because
That'll work. And
that
then you take the soy.
Because then you got your chili bean. Yeah, alright, sweetheart. Here you go. Alright. Wow, she's just...
From the wide variety of restaurants to the awesome wilderness all around, Hopetown soon became our favorite spot in the Bahamas.
Okay, hopefully we see a manatee. We're back on the beach because it's amazing. We're not eating, only having cocktails. But we're doing...
May or may not be 1 in the afternoon.
I mean, it should be. Yeah, it is. It's definitely past 1. And we are going on a little scooter ride. Where are we going next, Dan?
We're gonna go get fish sticks and Firefly.
Really?
Firefly is an amazing restaurant in Hopetown, but was first known for being a distillery near Charleston, South Carolina. They make some really delicious drinks and is a great stop on Elbow Key. While in Hopetown, we enjoyed the Songwriters in Paradise event. There is so much great music all week long during this time.
It's a bottle of fire rum and let me swim around. Hurry up and slow down. Open up the windows, get lights on, don't stop, everybody let's go. Back out.
Alright, I'm on a little kayak trip. Here's the lighthouse. But I am a fan of these small cat boats all over the Abacos. A favorite part of the area is exploring on the way to Little Harbor. Our friends Dan and Becky rented a fast boat during their vacation and invited us for a day of adventure. Sandy Key Reef is pristine and gave us an amazing afternoon of snorkeling. The reef is extensive with both the coral and fish being protected. If you're in the area, don't skip out on seeing this healthy reef.
And just got one. Yes! I just found one too.
When I pick mine up, like his whole stomach is out.
Oh god. I feel like weird holding it like this,
Oh,
actually.
it's not gonna do anything. I like how they point their toes.
Put them all right here.
You guys want me to take a picture with you guys or video?
Actually, I'm okay.
Wow, they're all different.
They're so cool. Yeah,
There,
they are
yours
all
is, like,
different.
super red.
Yours is like inverse of mine.
Can they move anything?
Then
Well,
this one is
they can see their tips are curling up. I don't know if that's because
they're kind of ticked at us, I bet. All right, we'll put you down.
Mary.
Cool. Go save him. Put him with his friends.
Ah, good job.
Picnic table. You can just lay her on one of the benches.
We ended up hanging around Hopetown for an entire month, and stuck to the Abacos with all 3 months of our first sail to the Bahamas. We had originally planned to make it to the BVIs, but fell in love with the Abacos. So many great memories in such a beautiful area of the Bahamas. We don't regret staying in the Abacos for a whole season and look forward to returning again to see more. Travel for us is about taking it slow and making the most of the life we have. It's about having fun, meeting new friends, and taking care of nature along the way. The Bahamas will distract us for a few years yet, and we're okay with that. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. It helps us out a lot and will let you know when our videos are uploaded. Season 2 has already started, so catch up on those for more adventures in the Bahamas. If you're interested in our other adventures, follow us on Instagram for pictures and daily updates via Instagram stories. Fair winds for now, and as always, cheers and thanks for watching.